core step in manufacturing the electrical box lies in the wiring process. Use fully automatic terminal machine to press terminals. Ensures firm cable contact and stable signal transmission. Automatic wire cutting machine for precise cutting. Combined with number tube identification. Effectively avoid wrong connection and misconnection. Each connection is manually compounded. Maximize connection security and system durability. The electrical box serves as the nerve center of equipment operation. Its quality directly affects the reliability of the automation system. Stable CU Electric relies on the technical accumulation of the drive and control RAND. The independently developed servo drive. Deep integration of controlled products and rigorous processes. From terminal crimping to wire duct packaging, every step reflects the ultimate pursuit of quality. Our company also provides customized electronic control panels. Full process services such as programming and debugging ensure that each solution precisely matches customer needs, helping the automation system to operate efficiently and stably.